Hello and welcome to my YouTube page. Yes, my name is Gervais Gloria, and today in this video I am going to help you or to show you exactly how to grow your YouTube channel almost immediately. Well, and automatically. It sounds like a good promise, but and in fact you'll be surprised. So what I'm going to be sharing in here with you is going to be something very interesting because the process is something that not many people use because most of people have been doing some manual work, and we're gonna figure out how to do the things more through the technology base and less with the manual work. In this video, I'm going to share with you your traffic sources and which keywords people are typing to get to your videos. Okay, and if you haven't done so, let's see. I'm gonna show you how to get in here. The first thing that you're gonna need to do, on your left side, as you can see, you're gonna click on my channel. Once you are on my channel, I just open in a new tab on a new tab. Yeah, once you are on my channel, as you can see, you can click on the view. So from the view of video manager, that's gonna take you to analytic. Once you get to analytic, that's gonna take you to this page. You're gonna click on analytic. So on analytic, you're going to click on the sources, traffic sources. So basically on the traffic source, what is going to show you is something interesting. And as you can see in here, I can see where my traffic is coming from. Traffic sources is going to show you me now in a minute. It's taking a little bit longer. So the traffic sources, as you can see, suggested videos, playlist page, YouTube channels. For example, if I click in here on YouTube channels, it's going to show me which keywords people are typing to get to my videos. As you can see by circus, so those ones are basically those are some people that have created a playlist with my videos, and that also probably someone that created a playlist with my video. That's my playlist, so at least 96 minutes of it or 125 views for my playlist. Happy family. So this that shows some traffic sources, special interest. Not many people in here. And as you can see, so go top level, we go back to that's through YouTube channels, how people are accessing your videos through different YouTube channels. And now if we're going through this suggested, or we're going to YouTube search, what words are people typing exactly to get to my YouTube? That is important because, for example, strong woman, lift care circus, strong woman circus, strong acrobat woman, lift and care circus, strong woman. As you can see, those are the keywords that people are typing to ask to get to my videos and to my strong. So if I know this, that will help me to create the right titles for my videos, to create the right description for my videos, and to create the right tags for my video. As you can see, this my channel is just all about circus. I only put videos in here that is related to circus, and it becomes so specific. Because it's so specific, it helps to grow the channel faster. Let's go back to the traffic source again, and as you can see, we're gonna go back to the traffic source, and I want to explain to you another thing which I still believe that's important. As you can see, playlist page, browsers features. So let's see what browser's future that is recommending my videos. Watch history, home, subscriptions. Not many. Let's find out what is the home. Because if you know exactly, I mean, those are the countries where people accessing my YouTube page, top level. Go back to the top level again, top cut. Yes, and that information will save you a lot of hard work because other YouTube features. Let me see what are the other YouTube features, because in fact there's a lot of tools or things that people use. Creators are no or YouTube remote. No idea what is this YouTube remote. So that shows you a lot of things. And as I can see this vid and through the playlist, no information. Fantastic. I believe that information was useful for you. And if it was, please leave your comment below how that helped you and how what else can I do to help you with your videos. Thank you for watching this video, and please